Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be opening up my Serengetee, I believe is how you say it, mystery package I got from them. And I'm super excited. I have no clue what shirts I've gotten. I haven't opened it yet. So we will see what I got. And when I ordered this, I had taken a look at all of their shirts first just to make sure I at least liked all of them. That way there wasn't a chance I got a shirt that I just wouldn't wear at all. So this is what it looks like so far. So I see a white shirt and what looks like a maroon. Okay. So this first one looks really cute, and I got both of these in a medium also, by the way. So open it like this. Oh, this is very cute. This is definitely bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is like a very oversized shirt. I didn't look at the size chart, but this is super cute. So on the front, it just has a little blue sunshine, and on the back has lines creating a picture of a sun, ocean, a little shark fin, and then their logo down here. So this one's really cute. This is really cute color. So this one says "Get Lost." It's the desert with the night sky, and then the back is just plain. So this one I think is my favorite out of the two. These are super cute, but I think these shirts would be really fun to do like DIYs on, maybe crop them a little bit. But I'm actually really happy with the ones I got. I did not see this white one online when I had looked at their t-shirts, so that's a fun surprise. And then I will also be trying these on so you can see the fit. The fabric is really soft, and for these two shirts, the bundle you get is, I believe, $25 or $25.99. And they have mystery packs you can do with, I believe, scrunchies, with sweatshirts, and with t-shirts. And I would definitely read the size guide first just to be sure of what you're getting. But these are really nice quality and I really enjoy them. So this was definitely a really short video, but I wanted to jump back into doing videos again and figured this would be an easy one to get back into because it is so simple. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!